Stop, bird.
Gusto mo picture dyan?
Picture. Ada, look at here. 2, 3.
Yeah, that's a green dragon. Happy?
Yes.
You happy, Ada?
Yes, I want to go back here again.
Smile!
No, it's not gonna eat you. Oh, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Nandito na naman kami ngayon sa Hunter Valley Gardens. Nanggaling na kami dito dati, pero wala pa si Ada noon eh. So, ngayon babalik kami kasi mahilig nga si Ada sa dinosaurs. Pati na rin si Ali. So, meron silang event again today. Every March to April. Kung saan naglalagay sila ng mga malalaking dinosaurs and insects at kung ano-ano pa. Let's go inside.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! Papa-picture ka?
Are you excited?
Yeah!
So yan, pagpasok nyo guys, ayan na yung phoenix at yung three-headed dog doon. Ewan ko ang tawag doon sa three-headed dog, lab?
Cerberus.
Cerberus.
Yun.
So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung map ng buong place para makita niyo kung gaano siya kalawak.
That's a big one.
So for this month until April 26 event. So ito yung map. Nandito tayo ngayon.
So, ang ganda nito guys, oh.
Ayun. Kahit mahilig siya sa mga dinosaurs, takot pa rin siya.
Duwag. Kuya, picture kayo dyan. Picture kayo ni Ada.
Oh, lupet. Dinosaurs and dragons and kung ano-ano pa. Ayan, no? Ayan, ebidensya.
Okay. 1, 2, smile. Ayan, ang ganda. Nakabukay bibig. Wow, flowers. Hindi ka na scared? Ha? Hindi ka na scared sa Blue Dragon? Oh, ayun, tignan mo sila, oh. Cheese ka sa Blue Dragon. Cheese!
Cheese. Sick. Wow. My favorite dragon so far with Aura. Can you breathe fire on me, dude?
Nag-i-sleep na yung Blue Dragon. Oh, sleep na siya, oh. Ay, di pa pala siya nag-i-sleep.
Help me. Okay, guys. So, we're at this fountain, and at the front of it is this orange dragon that looks kind of fat. Actually, a European dragon.
Dito na tayo sa mga bugs.
Sa mga bugs.
Tapos na tayo sa mga
Dragons.
dragons.
Tapos na tayo sa Game of Thrones. Ibang side naman. Let's go!
Here are the giant bugs. Let's go.
Love na love naman yung ladybug. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Punta kami sa rainbow. Ayan yung mga happiness ng mga baby. Rainbow. takot sa kabayo. May mga baby pa siya, oh.
Big smile, you guys. Can you stick your tongue out? Go blah. Good job.
Oh wow, what's that? Oh, frog! Baby frog! Ganda nga naman dito, oh, guys. Oh. Ano to, dragon or dinosaur? Natakot ka na naman, ha? Takot ka na naman. Bite yan. Spinosaurus? Ah, si Spinosaurus. Touch mo daw, touch. No.
It's a big one.
Ah, dali, oh.
Baby dinosaur.
Ay, may mga baby sila, oh. Ano ba yan? Pat may baby. Oh. Papat ni Ada. Pat. Oh. See? Oh.
I got
Ba-
blue and green.
Got blue, and green. Yummy.
Ganun chocolate.
Where are you going to ride?
I'm gonna go right.
You're gonna ride there?
Oh my God.
Feeling scared.
It's normal, but it's fun. Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
I used to go in there, right?
Huh?
I used to go.
This is the first time you're gonna ride.
But it's okay. You're just gonna sit like that.
Aren't I on yellow, so you have to ride with me?
No,
Oh, you can't.
you can ride by yourself. Oh look, it's all right.
It's just you're just gonna spin around.
Oh, 137.
Yeah. You need to wait, I think. Okay. Good luck. Tapang mo ah, kuya. Kuya, tapang mo ah. It's okay. It's all right. Tapang mo ah. Hindi para ano. Gusto mo yan ha? Oh.
I think my soul left my body. Oh my god, that was so terrifying.
Kamila naman, tara.
Let's go there sa other one.
The
The
big
big slide. Tapang mo ah.
So just a second. So you get 2 rides per 1 ticket here. So there you go. Grab one lad and head on up when you're ready. No problem at all, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, good luck kuya. Kuya sliding. Yay!
How's that, buddy?
One more. You got one more try. Second round. Ada. Ada. Nice kuya.
Alrighty, buddy. Just put your mat back over the railing and enjoy the rest of your day.
Ay, nako. Kakainin kayo niyan.
Over here, we're looking at it.
Hayaan mo na siya.
Oh my God.
She's gonna fix the camera.
Just let her, just let her.
Oh my God! He's still gonna eat you.
Dance tayo dyan. Yan ang pagkain. Naubos yung calamari ah. Dinaanan ng vacuum.
I ate it.
Did you eat it?
I'm still waiting for some more.
Sarap yung pagkain. Namiss mo? Cheat day.
Just eat everything.
Sarap ng ano eh, ribs. Yung isa ay naantok na. Naantok na. Kain muna kami.
Looks so good.
Nice.
Yummy.
Oreo cheesecake.
Cheesecake na may kain na. This one.
What's this?
Ferrero chocolate. Yeah, cheesecake.
Nutella, I think. Nutella.
Nutella.
Ito yung order kong hot chocolate. Na pwede
At
mong
white
lagyan.
chocolate.
Pwede mong lagyan ng white chocolate.
Wow.
Yum.
Napagkatapos, diabetes overload. Ayan.
Pakita mo ito.
Ada, look at this. Ada.
Ice cream.
Yummy. Sarap ng dessert.
Sarap.
Okay, tikman natin. Ada, okay? Okay?
Wait.
I go crazy. We finished eating. Look how much we eaten.
What?
Takeaway. That's all for today, guys. We're heading back home. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye. See you on our next vlog.